The following segment is sponsored by Rubbermaid, Rejuvenate, Digs, and Cutter.
Now is the time for home projects, inside and out. Here with 4 things you need to add to your checklist is friend of the show, 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery. How are you, Kathryn?
Amy, it's so nice to talk to you. Hey, let's get outside and enjoying our spaces, right?
I love that. So everyone from the show knows I'm from Texas. When I think of mosquitoes, I'm like, oh my gosh. So let's start outside and help us with those mosquitoes.
You know what? Everybody's invited to the party this season, but the mosquitoes. So what if I told you, girl, that with just the push of a button, you could make them go away for up to 40 hours. So this is Cutter Eclipse. This is a rechargeable, refillable device that, like I said, with just the push of a button, within minutes, it's scent-free. You're getting family-friendly protection for up to 40 hours. So I keep joking, it's almost like having like a Star Wars barrier, invisible barrier around your space. The mosquitoes just don't want to come into. But I love that you can, recharge it, refill it. You can buy a few of them. Look at how easy it is. Take it out wherever you're going, but in your backyard, have a few throughout. Guess who's coming to the party? Everybody but the mosquitoes, right?
I love that I have a visual of the Star Wars barrier. I need that. Can you please teleport that to me? I'm ordering it now.
You need it.
I know. Okay, so let's move over to gardening. What's new with that?
All right, so my friends at Digs, I dig everything they come out with. You see what I'm throwing out some puns there, but really they make really high quality functional gloves and garden accessories, but they also think about fashion. So they know you want to look good out in the garden. So they have 3 new things that I wanted to show you today. So number 1, they have this brand new straw sun hat. Like, look at how cute this is, right? And it's lightweight, it's breathable. So beautiful day when you're out there in the garden protecting you. Talking about protecting you, they also have these knee pads. So protect those knees when you have to get down. The pad is extra thick, it's extra wide. They've got this beautiful blue color. It's also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it there in the garden, but you can use it anywhere throughout the house where you have to get down on your knees to do a project. And then they have these great cooling towels. So these are water activated, and then they kick in and they're providing cooling relief. You can wear it as a headband, you can wear it as a scarf, you could put it around your neck. So I just love that. But I really do love all of these are their long gloves that you can wear out in there in the rose bushes. But I know, girl, I'm looking good, I'm getting it done out in the garden over here. You know what I'm saying?
I love it, I love it. Okay, so let's switch over real quick to cleaning the floors. What do you got for that?
All right, this is the Rejuvenate Click and Clean Multi-Surface Spray Mop. So just like it says, it's gonna clean multiple surfaces. One of the reasons I love it the most is that microfiber pad. It has 10,000 scrubbing microfibers. The nice thing is you can wash it and reuse it over and over again. That extra wide surface area, you're getting things done, you're getting surfaces done very quickly and efficiently. It also comes with this all floors cleaner in the kit. So you're cleaning all of those floors with the help of Rejuvenate, just a really powerful clean.
All right, let's organize that garage.
Absolutely. Get everything off the floors and onto the walls. So this is the Rubbermaid Fast Track Rail System. I have with me the 7-piece kit. It comes with 2 rails and 5 hooks, a great starter kit. Here's what I love about it. You can add to it as your needs grow. So extra hooks, extra shelves, lawn equipment, golf clubs, bike, you name it. It holds over 1,000 pounds, super easy to install. One person can do it with tools around the house. You go find that at Home Depot. Rubbermaid, they're always the best. They make great products.
They are. Where can we go for more information?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com.
Awesome. Kathryn, it's so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, absolutely. Love to be here. Thanks for having me.